Thank you, President, and thank you also, Commissioner, for your answer, indeed your commitment, which has been mentioned by other colleagues, your commitment to this subject. However, I have to express a little surprise. This morning and yesterday evening I was in Munster at the University of Munster on the occasion of the giving of an honorary degree to the President of the Court of Justice. But also taking place at the same time was a meeting of a key group to do with the common frame of reference, the group of academics involved in that. And they told me that they were discussing, amongst other things, those bits of the academic common frame of reference that might be used by your services. So already this exchange is going on, and I make a plea that clearly the Parliament wants to know what is happening at any moment, so that we can see how the process is developing. You know, I think, how keen this Parliament is on this whole issue, how much we have tried to champion it, and indeed our committee that I and my colleagues belong to in the new year will be hosting a reception with the Slovenian presidency to celebrate the arrival of the academic CFR. So we really want to make something of this and continue the work, but we need to be included along the way. You know, we have felt for a long time that this is an essential part of the whole better legislation agenda. I don't know how many times I have got up in relation to this to talk about coherence. We know that the CFR is almost there, is almost usable, and yet still we are proceeding with various bits of legislation that contain contract law without looking at some of the basic ground rules which we are already beginning to formulate, we know, in the CFR. We are looking at the consumer acquis review. Separately, we are looking at timeshare. There are other colleagues dealing with payments or with issues to do with passenger transport. We have a tremendous tool here in the making. We need it urgently. We, I think, accept and are grateful for the work you have done across the Commission in trying to get this matter dealt with in all the different Directorates General. That is good news. I think I can only finish with a plea I have already made. Please keep us involved. We know there is ongoing work. We can be at your side. We know this is a difficult issue vis-à-vis the Council. Please use our voices along with your own in order to give this project as much push and drive as it deserves in order to best serve our citizens through the internal market.